How to use airplane mode to speed up network reconnects. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a super quick hack that can help you and your phone reconnect to mobile networks faster when your signal drops and data gets stuck. Let's just get started. So if your data is stuck or your network is reconnecting all the time, you can do this simple trick by turning on airplane mode, tap on it, and then turn it on for 5 to 10 seconds. Keep it turned on, and then after that just turn it off. What it does is if your signal freezes, it will force your phone to disconnect from your current tower and look for a fresh or a new one when you turn it back off. It's also faster than restarting your phone and works to most of the minor signal glitches. Once that is done, you can also go ahead and open up settings, and then from there you can go ahead and find your mobile network settings, go to connections, and then go to mobile networks. From here, make sure the highest 5G, or if you have 6G available, make sure that is selected. And what it's going to do is if you move between different apps quickly and the app stops loading or the messages are sent late, this is going to fix the problem after you turn it on. And one more thing you have to keep in mind is that it's going to disconnect you from all of your current networks. So if you're connected on anything, make sure that you disconnect that first and connect it back again. That's all for the quick network tip. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.